Good morning. Welcome to the Kate Shepherd Elementary Newscast. Today is Wednesday, November 18th, 2020. Today is Wellness Wednesday, and here's a little story about a fourth grader who kept himself well for a great reason. This fourth grader trains every day to be a guide runner for a blind ninth grader. Ninth grader Paul Scott is blind, but he runs cross-country with the help of fourth grader Rebel Hayes, who guides Paul through courses with the use of a rope. Rebel trains every day so that he can keep up with the older kids because he never wants to let Paul down. So, on this Wellness Wednesday, think about how your wellness can help others. Please stand to join me in the Pledge of Allegiance and a moment of silence. Salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Today's breakfast is pancake on a stick or waffle, and today's lunch is chili with rice, yam patties, broccoli florets. Tomorrow's breakfast is a sausage biscuit, and tomorrow's lunch is chicken tenders, green beans, and carrots. We have a few birthdays today. We have Kylie Furtado, and we have two teacher birthdays today, Miss Hamlin and Miss Wilborn. Happy birthday, everybody. A couple of reminders. Students and teachers, make sure you are wearing your masks. This is especially important when you are traveling in the hallways, even to the restroom. There will be extended PE today for grade level planning. It's time again for the Stuff the Bus toy drive. We are collecting new unwrapped toys for our annual Stuff the Bus toy drive. Please send in a new toy to the library by December 7th. Every child that donates a toy will get to wear their favorite Christmas shirt and jeans on Friday, December 11th. We have some important dates coming up. Monday, the November 30th through Friday, December 4th is going to be our growth monitoring. Tuesday, December 1st, our tutoring begins. Wednesday, December 2nd, we have PSTs during extended PE, and we have our flu shot clinic for our students. Monday, December 7th, or Tuesday, December 8th, we have the pickup for Stuff the Bus. Wednesday, December 9th, we have grade level meetings during extended PE. Friday, December 11th, all students and staff who donate a toy may wear jeans and a Christmas shirt on this day. And December 18th is Feel Good Friday for our teachers. That's all for today's news. Have a wonderful Wednesday, Kate Shepherd.